Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to make your file explorer transparent on Windows 11 PC or in your laptop. So for this guys, you need to download and install one third-party tool on your PC. So open any web browser on your PC and in the Google you need to search exactly like this: releases space dash map display slash explorer blur MICA and then hit enter. Okay, and open the first link of the search result page like this, and then guys scroll down slightly. Here you can get the option to download this zip file, so just click on release x64 zip. It will start the downloading process. After the file was completely downloaded on your PC, right click on your zip folder like this. You need to extract this, okay, and then click on extract all. It will extract it. Okay, after this guys, now what you need to do, you need to open that extracted folder like this and open the release folder and then right click on register.cmd, okay, like this, and then select run as administrator option from the right click menu and click on more info and click on run anyway. Okay, now it will execute this tool on your PC, so it will take few seconds to complete this process. After the process was completed, now you can close the file explorer and then open it once again. It will completely become the transparent. As you can see guys, in my screen the file explorer was completely became the transparent. Okay, so this is the easy and simple method to do this. So if you want to get back your normal file explorer, same once again you need to open that extracted folder on your PC like this and open the release folder, and here you can get the option to uninstall the tool. So just right click on uninstall.cmd option and select run as administrator. It will uninstall your tool from your PC. So wait for few seconds and then close the file explorer. Okay, so this is the easy and very simple method to completely make the file explorer transparent. So hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.